You wire homes, power hospitals, and keep the lights on. But as artificial intelligence advances, could a robot soon replace the electrician? Let's find out. Electricians install, maintain, and repair electrical systems in homes, commercial buildings, and industrial facilities. They read blueprints, troubleshoot faults, and ensure safety compliance. Their work is literally what keeps society switched on, from your morning kettle to a hospital's life support system. AI is already encroaching on parts of the electrician's role. Automated fault detection systems can diagnose circuit issues remotely. Building management software now controls lighting, vac, and power loads autonomously. AI-powered inspection drones can survey electrical infrastructure, spotting faults without a human climbing a pylon. Routine compliance paperwork, load calculations, and energy audits can all be automated. For simple, repetitive wiring tasks in new builds, robotic arms are being trialed. The tasks most at risk are the predictable, low-complexity ones. The electricians who thrive will be those who embrace the technology rather than fear it. Specialize in EV charging infrastructure. Demand is exploding. Master smart home and building automation systems. Get certified in solar panel and battery storage installation. Learn to program and configure AI building management systems. Focus on complex, bespoke work that robots simply cannot replicate: heritage buildings, hazardous environments, and custom industrial installations. The human electrician becomes the RE's supervisor, not its competitor. However, electricians who stick to only basic domestic wiring without expanding their skills will face real competition. As smart home installation becomes more plug-and-play, and as AI diagnostics reduce the need for routine callouts, the lower end of the market will shrink. Wages for generalist electricians in straightforward residential work could come under pressure. The writing is on the wall: diversify or risk being outpaced. Will electricians be obsolete by 2030? Absolutely not. Demand for skilled electricians is actually forecast to grow, driven by the green energy transition, EV infrastructure, and smart city development. But the nature of the job is changing fast. The electrician of 2030 will be a technology integrator, an EV specialist, a solar installer, not just someone who fits sockets. Upskill now, or the future may leave you without power.